Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we've got a Lidl tomato planter. We've got some tomatoes, so I'm going to show you how I'm setting up this tomato planter and planting our tomatoes. So we've got some poles, then we've got the tower sections. Each one of these is circular with a triangle in the middle where the tomato plant grows up through the middle. And then we've got our base, we've got some watering holes and then stands that the base sits on. The compost goes through the hole and into the water and it self-waters. So that's the base. The container, we've got a hole, 2 holes either side, and the base just clicks in to the container. So we've got stands in the middle where the poles fit in. So this fits in. Is there one way it fits in? Lining up the holes. That's it, that's the way. So the base fits in the bottom. And then we've got the space for the poles here. This just click in, like so, either side. Like that. And then we can add our first poles to our pot. It's easier to do this beforehand. So we've got 3 poles and our pot. So we've got some compost and we're going to fill up our pot. So I've got my hoey knife. And we're just going to fill this pot up with our compost. Just making sure it goes down those little funnels, down to reach the water. And this is just peat-free, multi-purpose compost. Looking really good. So there we go, we're getting quite full. There we go. So we've got our bin of compost, our container, and put that one aside. And then this is our tomato. So I'm just going to take off the bottom leaves so we can plant this nice and deep. This is very dry. So I'm just planting 1 tomato in this container, planting it quite deep. There we go. Just 1 in a big pot, just like that. Firming it in. I'm just going to water that down, just so it fills up the container. And then we also can fill up the bottom of the container through the hole at the bottom. Just like that. So now when the compost touches the water, it's going to soak up into the rest of the pot. And then we can add our first level of our trellis. So 1, 2, 3. So when the tomato grows, it's going to come up through the trellis, and then we can add another one. 1, 2, 3, and then another one sits on top of that. And as the tomato grows, we can keep continuing to grow higher and higher. We've got another 2 to go, and there we go. That's the tomato planter planted. One tomato is going to grow up through the middle, and that'd be great. This is perfect if you don't have a garden. You can do this on a patio or just outside your front door. That'd be even fine. Just a nice little basket, away from anything, self-watering. Just remember to fill up the bottom every so often. But that is really great. So if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe. Ring that bell when I get notifications when I post some more videos. And then check out this video here. This will be the latest video that we've on our channel. So, cheers.